Hello, my name is Purva Deepak Solanke.
Hi, I'm Nitika Kharka Chetri.
Hi, I'm Amruta Patel.
Hi, my name is Tanmay Mari.
Hello everyone, I am Sudarshan Arun Kumar.
Hello guys, I'm Rajiv Shah.
Hello everyone, my name is Guru Patil.
Myself Nikun Chaube.
The best thing about this is my first experience in additive manufacturing, learning about this, and it has been one of the best experience for me and one of the best internship I have been in.
We were fortunate enough to interview and then get selected for this internship.
Upon arrival in Ganpat University, I looked at the facilities and I'm very excited to look at all these new 3D printers and the new facilities which are there.
This is a very good opportunity since I have my elective in additive manufacturing and AML. So I took this opportunity to come here at Ganpat University to further learn more about additive manufacturing.
I got to know about Ganpat University and that it's helping in nation building, and as part of that, the Government of India is working with Ganpat University and the National Additive Manufacturing Centre of West is placed here.
The ecosystem over here is very strong about additive manufacturing. All machineries are available at industry based. So we are getting the hands-on experience about every machineries over here.
I am glad to join the internship with the National Additive Manufacturing Centre West, established by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, in association with Ganpat University.
I got to know about the internship through the website and also through my mentors. It is really a great opportunity that we are getting to learn about the advanced manufacturing techniques of additive manufacturing here.
This opportunity of internship was floated through an email from my professor, and I'm really happy to pursue this opportunity of internship in Ganpat University.
And I am very thankful to Ganpat University and the National Additive Manufacturing Centre to provide us with the state-of-the-art facilities and great domain knowledge and professional help in this new emerging field.
I thank Ganpat University and I hope to be associated with them for future endeavors.
Thank you, Ganpat University.
Thank you, Ganpat University.
Thank you.
Thank you.